Hey, good morning. It's a new day. Today's an all theater day. I'm really excited. Some workshops, Broadway shows. Really excited. Oh, I'm running a little late, so that's great. See you guys when I see you. Bye-bye. Hello. So we just got back from a dance and singing workshop. We did Moulin Rouge. Damn, oh hot damn, what part of what you understand? And we sang it and we danced it, and it was really good, really fun. I had a great time. I typically don't enjoy dancing because I get really stressed out of the fact that I'm doing it wrong, but the way he taught it was really like, hey, it's okay, we're all beginners here, and it felt like a good vibe. And the dances, he challenged you, but he also made it easy towards the end, and we sung it while we danced it. It was really cool. We didn't get to record it because we're not allowed to, but it was really nice and really cool, and maybe I'll show it later. All right, bye. So we're at Macy's right now trying to find some food. I'm extremely tired. I think too much has been happening. I'm having a great time, but I'm really exhausted. And I chugged an energy drink thinking that it would help, but I'm even more tired. So stay tuned, maybe I'll fall asleep. Also, the reason I'm recording, dude, I forgot to put in the battery on my camera. So no time lapses while I eat, unfortunately. That makes me really sad, but okay, bye-bye. We're eating some delicious pizza. Really excited. Hello, we went to this pizza place right here. It was honestly pretty good. I like adding some red peppers on it. Makes it so delicious. I really liked it. I think the one thing I'd say is like the cheese fell off too much. And it was a little bit thin, but oh my god, it was still good, and I was able to like eat 2 slices and I didn't really get bored of it. It was really nice. Now we're gonna look around. Peace. Okay, so we were at a second workshop and it was really good. I think I'm a little upset with myself. I got a little insecure and I didn't take it as seriously as I should have. But I think then during the last dance, I was like, Bebs, you paid for this trip, you better enjoy it. So I started being like, nobody cares what you look like, and I really locked it in and I really enjoyed it. And the lady was really sweet, she was really kind, she was really like humble and really personal, like she made us feel really human. I really liked her, and we're actually seeing her tonight. She's an ensemble in Great Gatsby. I'm really excited. Yes, Jordy, you would just like say something. Oh, we were also at a bookstore, and yes, I got this, and then show the other one. Show the other one. Oh, you got the other one. So Moulin Rouge, I really like Moulin Rouge. My favorite one was Backstage Romance. It was so good. I got this for a friend, Sparkling Diamond. Boom shakalaka ding dong. We're at Jollibee's. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I had Jollibees, and it was really good. I had a great time. So, look at that little Jollibees right there. It's all done. I had a mango. It was really good, actually. Really, like, warm and melts in your mouth. The chicken was really good. Like, if you're from the country, Georgia, KFC, literally, the spicy Jollibee chicken, it tastes like Jordan KFC, not American KFC. I don't like American KFC. The mashed potatoes and gravy were good. I've had better. But the gravy and the chicken were good. I do think the chicken is better without the gravy dough. Hot take. But I just like the chicken's flavor on its own. All right, food critic, peace out. We're headed to a Broadway show. I took a little quick shower. Got my little fit. Kind of pretty, kind of cute. Also, don't worry. I do take my hat off because it's respectful. Doesn't get in people's way. I do it for most things. If we go inside, I'll take my hat off. Just wanted to let you know. Okay, bye-bye. Hi, so we just had an awesome experience at the Great Gatsby. Honestly, I really couldn't rank which one was my favorite. I said Moulin Rouge when I was talking to a couple people, but I really, I'm thinking about it. Great Gatsby was so truly beautiful. Like the singing, the dancing, the acting. We got to sit in the first floor and seeing their freaking everything was so also, it was two people who like Modern Family Haley and Livin' Maddie Diggy was in it. I'm sorry, I'm really bad with like real names.
He was Giggy?
Diggy.
Ryan McCartan.
So good. Ryan McCartan and Sarah
McKylan.
And
Michael Maliski.
Oh my god, and just even if like they weren't like technically like famous in the same of like TV and film, like they were still so good. Like there's, oh my god, all of them were so good. All ensemble was beautiful. Oh my god, I honestly can't really tell you what's the plot. It's basically multiple people having affairs in order to live there. It's basically about multiple people having affairs while being married to each other, and each people find out about it, and twists and turns and military and like it's so hard to explain this storyline. It's so deep, it's so crazy, so many. I think that's why it would be a favorite, because so many twists and turns, so many. In the beginning, mics were a little bit off for like certain lines, but and then they fixed it, and the lights were beautiful, the set was beautiful, the singing was beautiful. Oh my god, so enthralling, awesome, beautiful. We took photos. You'll see, we took photos. We got to like meet them, say hi. Just 3 of them though, but it was awesome, beautiful. Oh my god, 10 out of 10, bro. All right, we're heading back to the hotel. Peace. Okay, we're back at the hotel, and I'm gonna end the day off by saying it was an awesome day. I love theater, and it was so theater related, and we got to learn so many new things. I'm so exhausted, so excited to sleep, but so thankful for today. Absolutely loved it. See you guys tomorrow on the last day. Peace. Miss Carter! Sorry, she's about to get hit by a taxi. He's back in the... Jordy Morales.